was driving through the desert, just a lone silhouette, chasing shadows in the distance, haven't found them yet. The sky was burning orange as the day began to fade, and the winds of the Sahara whispered softly in the shade. I hear the call of ancient lands beneath the endless stars, a place where time is frozen, where we are who we are. Welcome to the heart of the Sahara, where the sands never die. The dunes will hold your secrets as they whisper goodbye. You can lose yourself forever in the wind's lonely cry, but you'll never leave the Sahara, no matter how hard you try. I saw a city made of gold, hidden by the storm, a mirage of dreams forgotten, lost and reborn. Every grain of sand remembers, every tear and every scar. In the silence of the desert, it's where all our ghosts are. The moon reflects a story told 1,000 times before, but still I keep on searching, always wanting more. Welcome to the heart of the Sahara, where the sands never die. The dunes will hold your secrets as they whisper goodbye. You can lose yourself forever in the wind's lonely cry, but you'll never leave the Sahara, no matter how hard you try. Darkest hour, I could hear the drums, echoes of a battle, but the war was never won. I keep on walking, but the road goes on for miles. In the heart of the Sahara, I've been lost for a while. Welcome to the heart of the Sahara, where the sands never die. The dunes will hold your secrets as they whisper goodbye. You can lose yourself forever in the wind's lonely cry, but you'll never leave the Sahara, no matter how hard you try. No, you'll never leave the Sahara, no matter how hard you try.